Remember guys, building speed and dexterity always takes time and practice. So don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Make sure to incorporate this exercise into your practice routine and be patient to yourself. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't be too insistent with the tempos that you make mistakes, because every mistakes we do will create bad muscle memories. Of course, you're gonna push the tempos, but we need a balance for that. If you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button next to it. If you have any questions, you can write down below and I will try my best to help you guys. And if you wanna support my channel, you can join my Patreon page and you can find all my lesson videos tabs in Guitar Pro and PDF format. So thanks a lot for watching guys. See you next time. Bye.